Alright, this just came in. Here. So with electric cars, there hasn't really been like a converter for power. This company, I think in Sweden, I don't remember where. They finally made one. It's a CCS 1 to CHAdeMO adapter for the Nissan Leaf, or for any car that has the CHAdeMO. This was almost $900 shipped. Hopefully it's going to let me use more charging stations so I can do more road trips. Maybe I can actually drive down to the reserve. We'll see. We're going to test it out. Uh-oh, is everything full? Oh no. Well, there's Teslas open, but I don't have a slot for a Tesla. God damn it. Fucking move. Alright, well I guess we can't test it. Alright, he's doing it. My review, I give it 5 out of 5 stars.